Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. So first of all, make sure to download this Binance app from your App Store or Play Store. And once you have downloaded the app and logged in with your account, so just go to this app, and after that just click on the left upper corner of Binance. And once you click here, you will see like this interface, the shortcut, and on here you can see Rewards Hub. So just click on Rewards Hub, and once you go into Rewards Hub, you can see like points and my vouchers. And below is the option like get rewards, do the task and complete it. And you can also check like click do task to get this voucher, 20 USDT trading fee rebate voucher. So once I complete the task, I will get this voucher. And let's say you already have vouchers, so just click on my vouchers. And once you go to my vouchers, you will see all of your vouchers here. And let's say you want to like claim any vouchers, so just click on voucher code, and after that just enter the voucher code here, let's say this voucher code, and click on done and click on claim voucher. So once you click on claim voucher, that is how easily you can use trading fee rebate vouchers on Binance. So that is a simple and easy process.